In this video, you will learn how to replace one of the main consumables on the ABL90 FLEX PLUS, the solution pack. You will also learn more about storage requirements and how to dispose of the solution pack. The solution pack has an onboard stability of 30 days. The ABL90 FLEX PLUS will record what date you've installed the solution pack, and it will keep track of the expiration date for you. You will not be able to measure patient samples if the solution pack has expired. When the expiration date is nearing, the Analyzer Status Traffic Light button will change from green to yellow. The traffic light will also turn yellow if the number of solution pack cycles is down to a critical limit that you can set. The traffic light will also turn yellow when the solution pack's expiration date is coming close. The solution pack should be stored at room temperature. When you take your solution pack out of the box, you want to make sure that you hold it from the top and then pull it out. Do not grab the tubing and pull on it, as you can damage the solution pack. To start the process of changing the solution pack, press Analyzer Status. And on the left-hand side, press the Consumables traffic light that will also be yellow. On the bottom left-hand side, press Replace. Select the solution pack. Then press the Start Video Guidance. The next screen is going to ask if your new solution pack has this icon with a dark square on it. Press Yes. The inlet will open automatically, and the video will show you how to remove the solution pack. It will take a few seconds for the pack to release before you can remove the pack. Dispose of the used solution pack in a biohazard waste bin. To activate the new solution pack, pull the red pin out of the solution pack. Place the solution pack on a sturdy surface where you have some leverage over the pack. Push down on the top as you hear a crunching noise, and both tabs click into place. That's the sound of the prongs that are on the underside of the solution pack's lid, puncturing the pouches that are inside of the solution pack. Make sure you have activated the pack completely. After you've completed that step, press Action Completed. Line up the solution pack exactly as shown on the video. Place your thumbs on the white top portion and push in. You're going to hear a click. Then it will take a few seconds for the inlet to close automatically. The analyzer will begin to start up. A solution pack removed from one analyzer can be used on another analyzer. You have now seen how to replace one of the main consumables on the ABL90 FLEX PLUS, the solution pack. You've also learned more about storage requirements and how to dispose of the solution pack.